Hello guys, how are you? Now I have one small trick. It can help you for playing music at night. If you want to play music and falling asleep and don't want to this music working till morning, so you can make this trick. It's very small but it's helpful. You'll go to clock. After that you will go to timer, like what I have here. For example, you want to play music for 3 hours. Okay, 3 hours, whatever. Now in the end you will go to when timer ends. You'll click here, you will go to the end. You'll see here stop playing. Okay, check here and make a set and make start. So the music will working for 3 hours. After 3 hours it will stop automatically. That's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.